What's up, guys? Chef Cole's here. So, guess what we're doing today? We're getting baked. I'm just baking a nice little treat, though. That's what I meant. But yeah, so I looked up a recipe on YouTube because I've had this 5-pound bags, these oats sitting in my room, like I was like, yo, I gotta put these things to use. So I just finally decided to look up a recipe how to make like cake or whatever using oats, and then I found a really good video on YouTube and very simple ingredients recipe. This required no baking actually, so when I said baking, that was a false information. Forgive me. But so yeah, I had all these ingredients at my house anyway, so I just came and whipped it up real quick. So I put 3 cups of oats and the cacao powder over here. It's busted, that's why it's in there, and a little bit of peanut butter powder, to make it nice and yummy. And she said just to use coconut milk, so my mom had these, so I used these 2 of these, and 3 cups of oats. I already said that. And then about just half a cup of little bit of chia seeds, and then to sweeten it with honey because this chocolate powder was very raw, so I put I would say about 2 tablespoons of honey. So yeah, I got the mix. Now all I need to do is pour it in a nice container and let it sit for like 3 hours, he said. And yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Peace.